Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBPUSD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So the market is open, and after the market opening, we can see DXY going down. The sellers are still dominating the market. The party is still not over for the sellers. When the market closed, the DXY was around 103.90 and right now standing at 103.64. My dear friends, if you are looking for detailed analysis, please watch the video that I uploaded on Saturday, because again I'll say that I do not want to repeat the same stuff and bore you. So okay, I'll try to keep the video short. So market is approaching, DXY is approaching the next support of 103.50, and this is the last support for DXY. If DXY breaks this support level, then things will be very critical, because we can see that on the higher time frame we do not have any immediate support for DXY. If DXY breaks 103.50, then it may be heading towards the next support around 101.20. So things will be very difficult. So DXY will try to take support around 103.50. So let's wait and watch. Our main focus should be on DXY as of now. Now let's head towards GBPUSD. So GBPUSD, as discussed in our previous video, that the range of 1.2100 to 1.2130 will be very important, because this is a no trading zone for us. If market reverses, we could have gone for a sell position, but as we can see right now, market is going for a breakout, and as we have discussed, that we can go for a buy position above this level, above 1.2130, and we can see the scenario right now. But to be honest, I was not expecting the thing to happen on Monday, especially during the Asian session only. Okay, because usually we do not see much volatility or volume in the first half of Monday, but today we can see the market is in party mode and market is going up right now. If you already have taken a buy position, you can be on the trade, no need to exit, because DXY looks weak. But once DXY will hit 103.50, be careful, observe the market first. On the other hand, if you're looking for a safe entry, if you're not convinced with this amount of volatility, you can wait for some time. You can wait for 1 or 2 hours and just wait and watch. Because as we all know, false breakout is a bitter reality of the market, and there is no medicine for false breakout. What the only thing that you can do is you can wait for the market to retrace. So if you already have taken a buy position, you can be on the trade, or what you can do is you can just go with a small buy position right now, because in case market shows a false breakout, okay, you do not lose a big amount of money. So you can also go for a small buy position here, okay, or otherwise if you're looking for a complete safe entry right now, I'll suggest you to wait for retracement, because no market in the world goes up or down in a straight line, because market will come down for retracement. When it will come down for retracement, take support around 1.2130, 1.2140, and bounce back again, you can go for a buy position. This is the only cure for false breakout. Okay, so now it depends on you, okay, which path you choose. And if you want to know my opinion that what will I do, then honestly, I will not trade right now. I will wait for the market to retrace, because I will wait for at least till European session, okay, because trading can be dangerous in the first half of Monday. Okay, this is my opinion. I can be wrong as well. So my dear friends, please follow proper risk management. But personally, I would prefer to wait till European session. In case market goes for a breakout also, I will not regret. I will wait for retracement. Okay, because regret is very common in the market, and I have learned how to control regret. In case by US session, if you see a sudden reversal, you can consider taking a sell as well, but be careful. Okay, see, in my previous video probably I have said that, see, every market, okay, every chart, every pair, every asset, every stock in the world has some good levels some bad, not bad levels, some strong levels and some weak levels. Some are very strong, some are okay, medium kind of level. So right now we are not trading GBP USD, Euro USD or gold on those strong levels. Right now we are trading GBP USD, Euro USD, gold and others on the weaker levels, the medium levels right now. Okay, so you are confident when the levels are very strong, but sadly the strong levels are far away right now. That's why we are forced to trade on these levels. So whenever you're forced to trade on medium levels, you need to be extra careful. Okay, this is my concept. Hopefully you got my point. Please follow proper risk management, be careful, do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Bye bye, take care, see you tomorrow.